see, we back with the Traxxas Bandit. No top on there. And we just pretty much looking at the overall damage, wear and tear. But that's not the point of the video. We definitely got some upgrade parts in. I told you guys I was gonna get some upgrade parts in. Many more coming, but as you can tell by the thumbnail, we have a RPM wide front bumper in the color blue for the Traxxas Bandit. Well, Wrestler Stampede and Nitro Sport. So I'm gonna put it on. Show you guys the stock on here. TRX. I have my 2 Phillips screws. You can see a little scratched up. So take that one off and put this one on, guys. That's it, it's completely removed. Take these old screws out of here. This is exactly plug and play. See the old one. Let's take the new one out. Let's see, RPM. Front guard. Let's put this bad boy in. So you feel me, guys? That's what it looks like, completely installed. Sticks out a little bit further so you don't gotta worry about hitting your wheels or anything, just the guard. Pretty nice, guys. What you guys think? It fits the car and it's blue. Got it from eBay if you're wondering. So, brand new, but yeah, guys. Definitely more to come. Stay tuned. Big upgrades coming. Definitely gotta get some upgrades for these tires. Big bulb. But, you know, guys, till next time.